Recipes without the bullshit. Delicious recipes straight to the point.
Here are the ingredients that you will need to make vegetarian spaghetti bolognese. You need 1 bell pepper, 1 medium yellow onion, 4 Roma tomatoes, garlic, Beyond beef, tomato paste, olive oil, salt, paprika, black pepper. I like smoked paprika myself. All of these ingredients, including the recipe, is going to be in the description below as well. Let's cut the vegetables. These tomatoes, you don't have to cut small. You can cut them big. They go excellent in the spaghetti when they're fat. You cut up the onion. I like to put a little bit of jalapeno in it. Not enough, just a few rings. Maybe 4, 5 rings, depending on how spicy you like it. Bell pepper, you're gonna cut into squares. A little bit of minced garlic. Gonna take 1 garlic clove and just cut it like this into long pieces, so that every once in a while you get a bite. That's all garlic. I like garlic. Okay, this is ready to make. This is all ready. Olive oil. Let that heat up a little bit. Nice and evenly in the pan. So you can see. Everything that you're cooking with olive oil, stainless steel pan, cook on medium heat. We're gonna put the onions in. My favorite sound. Throw in these jalapenos, the garlic, and the bell peppers. Cook the onions until they caramelize, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. It'll look great. Just remember, so that you don't burn anything, to keep stirring. Now these onions have caramelized. That's when you know, that's when it's ready. This is about when it's time to put in the Beyond Meat. I'm gonna use half a package of Beyond Meat. A little bit of salt, some black pepper, some smoked paprika. I'll be adding more of that later. See how the trick is to keep stirring. Okay, it's time to add the tomato paste. First of all, you throw in your tomatoes like clemenza. A little bit of salt. I used 1 small can of tomato paste here. But the amount of tomato paste you use compared to the amount of water you use will determine the thickness of the sauce. This guy is just about ready. A little bit more salt, not a lot. A little bit more black pepper. A little bit more paprika. You keep adding spices until you get the flavor the way you like it. Okay, now that the sauce is ready and the water is boiling, let's put the spaghetti in the water. You want the spaghetti al dente. You want it to be soft, but not mushy. Not so soft, a little bit hard. Every once in a while you can take one and try it. This is the most dangerous goddamn spaghetti I've ever made. What? It's on fire. Beautiful. And that's how you make vegetarian spaghetti bolognese.